Have you ever stood under a clear night sky, far from the city lights, and just looked up? You see countless stars, each one a sun, many with planets of their own. It's a breathtaking sight, a cosmic ocean teeming with possibilities. The sheer scale of it all makes you wonder, doesn't it? With billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, the odds seem to be in favor of life existing somewhere else. It feels almost impossible that we are the only ones asking these questions. So, where is everybody? This is the great lingering question that has haunted scientists for generations. The universe seems so vast, so full of potential, yet all we hear is silence. We have been actively trying to make our presence known for decades. Our television and radio broadcasts have been leaking out into the galaxy for a century, traveling outwards at the speed of light. We are, in essence, shouting into the cosmic void, announcing our location, our biology, our very existence to anyone who might be listening. This is where a fascinating and terrifying idea comes into play. It's called the dark forest theory. The name itself sends a shiver down your spine, doesn't it? It paints a picture of the universe not as a friendly neighborhood waiting to be explored, but as a dark, dangerous forest. In this forest, every civilization is a lone hunter, stalking through the trees trying to stay alive. Every rustle of leaves, every snapped twig could signal the presence of another hunter. And you can't know if they are friend or foe. The theory rests on simple but cold axioms. First, the primary goal of any civilization is survival. Because of the vast distances and time delays in communication, you can never truly know the intentions of another alien race. This creates an unavoidable chain of suspicion. Even if two civilizations are fundamentally peaceful, they can't trust that the other one is. The paranoia feeds on itself, spiraling until a preemptive strike seems like the only logical choice. A civilization that is just a few thousand years ahead of us could possess technology that seems like magic. The gap in their capabilities would be incomprehensible. They could likely cross interstellar distances with ease and might wield weapons capable of sterilizing an entire planet from light years away. So, in this framework, silence becomes the ultimate camouflage. It's the galactic equivalent of holding your breath and staying perfectly still when you sense a predator nearby. Any civilization that is advanced enough to understand this logic would take extreme measures to hide its existence. They would mask their energy signatures, cease all interstellar broadcasts. This is why a single shout is so perilous. It's an irreversible act. Once the signal is out there, you can't take it back. It will travel through the cosmos for eternity, a permanent beacon marking your home. By shouting into the void, you hand over the ultimate tactical advantage to any potential listener. We are making ourselves an obvious target. This has sparked a serious debate within the scientific community. On one side, you have people like the late Stephen Hawking, who warned that we should be wary of reaching out. They advocate for a passive approach, SETI, where we only listen. We should be the quiet ones in the forest, learning the lay of the land before we make a sound. The dark forest theory offers a solution that's both elegant and disturbing. It answers the question, where is everybody? With a chillingly simple reply. They are all hiding. The silence isn't because there's no life out there, it's because hiding is a deliberate, calculated strategy for survival. The universe looks empty because the survivors know how to make it look that way. The theory suggests that the universe might actually be a cosmic graveyard, filled with the ruins of civilizations that didn't learn the rules. Maybe the great silence is really just the sound of a universe that's been quieted. The dark forest theory is a perfect example of how science can be both thrilling and terrifying. It suggests that the cosmos is actually teeming with intelligent life, filled with countless ancient, wise, and complex civilizations, but it transforms our relationship with the cosmos. The night sky, which used to be a source of inspiration, now becomes a source of anxiety. It's that feeling of being watched by unseen eyes. The dark forest theory challenges our self-importance. We're a tiny, fragile civilization in a vast and mysterious cosmos. We've only just begun to explore, and we're the new kids on the block in a game that's been going on for billions of years. Before we keep shouting our existence into the unknown, maybe we should spend more time listening. We need to learn more about the forest before we step out from behind the trees. The dark forest theory gives us one possible chilling answer. But it's just one theory. The truth could be something else entirely. Something even stranger and more wonderful than we can imagine. Maybe there are galactic federations, trading hubs, and immense libraries of cosmic knowledge just waiting for us. But we have to pass some sort of maturity test first. So, next time you're under a canopy of stars, just take a moment. Listen to the great silence. Is it the silence of an empty void? Or is it the hushed, expectant silence of a dark forest filled with hidden wonders? We don't know the answer, but the real thrill is in the search, in the grand cosmic adventure that's waiting for us. Just out there, beyond our sight, a universe of marvels could be waiting, hiding in the beautiful, terrifying, and magnificent darkness.